How to get $100 Uber Eats promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 60% coupon, $5 coupon, $10 coupon, $15 coupon, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on Show Coupon. So here is the code. You can copy it. Then click on View Discount at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, make your order, proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Also, make sure to check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Uber Eats promo code. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.